Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Talk to Tashina. Hope you all have been doing good so far. What a busy last few days we've had. I don't know where to begin from. We are slowly getting into a schedule of me working and handling the home and the kids. Thankfully, things worked in our favor. While I was a bit nervous about how am I going to manage kids and work, out of the blue someone decided to visit us and solve all our problems. Who else can it be other than my mother-in-law? Asha didn't know grandma was arriving that day. She had her regular schedule. But when she returned from her camp and saw grandma right at the door, she could not stop herself from smiling and shying away. Of course, there were plenty of hugs and kisses after that. Day 2 of her coming here and walks have already started. My MIL is my walking buddy. As you all know, I love going on walks, but it's almost impossible to convince Andy to go for walks with me every day. But when his mom is here, I always get a partner to walk with. Even if it's 9 pm, we go out for a short walk just to get some fresh air. Anyhow, Ashia's camp has parents show every weekend. It's a small performance done by kids showing parents what they learned in the camp last week. They gave such cute performances, but as soon as the trainers began their performance, fire alarm went on. We had to vacate the premises immediately. But then we got to see their performance later. This is the sports center of our town, and it has a number of sports and activities you can get your child enrolled into. Asha goes for gymnastics here, but there's also swimming, ice skating, hockey as well. If your kid is really good at what they're doing, they are then put into competitive programs. Yes, guys, this is where it all begins. It was literally the first weekend since Ma came, and guess what? Andy had already booked the tickets for a movie for him and me. Well, I'm not very fond of going to movies anymore. Andy still loves going to the theaters because, as parents, it doesn't really happen for us, right? So, when mom is here in town, we go for movies. Andy is really a big Hrithik fan, and he wanted to watch this movie War 2 for a very long time. Yep, I know, such a waste of time. But again, that's my view. I just enjoyed my time that I got to spend with him. That's it. That is important to me. Just had some coffee and enjoyed my time. I was really enjoying the walk around the complex after the movie. There were restaurants, club, play zones, etc. This was such a date night kind of place, full of couples from the suburbs, clearly.
Service has ended. If you'd like to order anything, just go to bar, give your seat numbers, we'll bring it to you then.
Awesome.
Thank you. Next week, I had decided to do something big for me. Yes, I have been wanting to get a second pierce since I was in uni. But I could never gather the courage to get it done. But this time I thought, my girls were brave and got it done, then why can't I? And to my surprise, I didn't even feel the pinch. I just felt a click on my earlobes. Then I thought, why didn't I get it done sooner, guys? And finally, the first day of daycare arrived. I have been thinking about it for so many days now. I was so scared how I'll manage Kiasha's transition. She is so attached to me and Andy, but this little doll just surprises me, as always. I thought I'll probably have to bring her back in an hour or two because she cries out loud. But this madam happily stayed for 7 hours on the very first day of daycare. She's absolutely loving her daycare. She does cry a bit now while handover in the morning, but she gets settled in a minute or two. She loves to be around other kids and play around. It was so different with Ashia. She used to cry so much for the first few days. Kiasha has been surprising us a lot actually. You know how they say every child is different. And now, the long-awaited day has arrived. Guess who's turning 5? Asha has been planning her birthday guest list for so long now. I cleaned up the home early in the morning, hoping it would remain clean all day. Ordered food, cake, tables and chair for the kids, goodie bags, etc. I had planned it in the backyard and so didn't want it to rain obviously. Luckily, the weather was perfect. The bees came to party with us as well. A bit bothering, but fine. I had planned few games for the girls, but I could only convince the girls to play one game, the musical chair. They enjoyed that a lot, but I think they enjoyed each other's company more than anything else. Asha, don't run that fast. Get a seat. Ah. They danced, screamed around, barely ate anything. Yup, because that's what kids do. They barely eat anything. But they really enjoyed a lot. One thing I realized for sure is hats off to the teachers at school who manage so many kids every day. It's difficult to match their energy level every day, but overall, kids had a lot of fun.
One. Are you two? Are you three? Are you four? Are you five? Yay!
Time is passing really fast for me. I can't believe it's already her 5th birthday. I guess I have few more years with her before she turns 18 and fly away to her university. With this, I end today's vlog. Next week, I'll show you where we went for our cottage trip and how did we spend Kiasha's first birthday. Until then, take care and bye-bye.